When I was in Washington, my job was to go out and eat and to drink and to talk. And then after that, I would have to go to another party and drink more. And you start with a champagne, appetizers, then first course, second course, third course, dessert. And I got unhealthy because it was a lot of going out, a lot of drinking, a lot of eating. And I started looking for diets, trying this diet, trying that diet, trying diet with no carbs, trying diet with no protein, diet with no food, or food but very, very little. And I was like, oh my God, this is so not worth it. Like, there must be an easier way. And so I started learning more about nutrition. That's when I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to nutrition school, move to Florida. And then I went to school and they were teaching about raw food and this thing that you don't need to cook. And you don't need to wait for it to be made. Like brownies, you can make them right away, you can eat them right away, and you can enjoy them, and they're actually healthy for you, and they taste good, and you feel amazing. So I'm like, sign me up. And then a celebrity approached me and they asked me to cook for them, and I said, sure, yeah. And I came home, I was like, oh my God, how do I actually do this? And I figured it out. I catered, I brought the food to her, and she loved it, and then the word got around and I became a private chef. I think the chefing found me, and I've been doing that for 11 years. My favorite part of being a chef was when I started my food line in America, and I decided to make it the cleanest, the best food line there is. So we had no gluten, no soy, no nuts, no onions, no garlic, no nightshades, no grains at all. And it was amazing. And then Harper's Bazaar magazine called my diet #1 for 2015. And so together I was making this project with a partner, and we were creating it in the kitchen, jamming to a lot of great music and making this amazing food, and people were eating it and feeling amazing. And then this Harper's Bazaar magazine came out, and it was like, wow, this is so cool to be recognized for that. I love to cook what my clients ask me to cook. I love working with other people. Like, if they're really, really enjoying my food, I love making it. Like, for me, it's when my clients text me and they're like, oh my God, this was outstanding, or like, this was the best ever. Like, I'm gonna cook that thing as long as they want me to cook it, because I just get so happy about them loving it. Of course, I personally love to make raw food because it's live, it's clean, there's no heat involved, so it's not like you don't get sweaty, you don't get tired. And I think when you handle raw organic ingredients and you keep them raw, the energy is just in the kitchen is so fresh and so light, and you get to taste it and you get energy, just like energizing, and then you energize the food with Reiki, and it feels so happy. I mean, I get happy just thinking about it. So I love raw food. Reiki is energy that goes through us, and it's like electricity. You cannot see it, but you know it's on. And I got attuned with Reiki. When I got attuned, I thought it was like hokey. I was like, okay, whatever. When I was having my eyes closed and they were putting Reiki on me, I could see all these fireworks with different colors. It was really cool. It goes through us, it's everywhere. You just need to tune yourself on, and then you put that energy into the food. When people ask me why am I here in this planet, I say I want to make the world a better place, and I want to have brownies with ice cream. Like, that's why I came to this world. So my favorite food is brownies and vanilla ice cream. Swear to God, favorite. My vision and my dream was how do you combine the healthy and the tasty? And that's what I created, because I love both. And also, I'm not vegan, so I know what meat and dairy taste like. Now, I only eat it organic, humanely raised, but I also love plant-based food. And so when I create, vegan burgers, vegan cheese, I know what it's supposed to taste like. And I think that's one of the biggest things, that when it's a vegan chef who's completely vegan, who don't remember what it's supposed to taste like, that's when plant-based food might not be the tastiest. Because I have both sides of the nutritional spectrum, I can bridge them. I think the biggest aha moment for people who don't believe this is if you watch my videos on my 3-minute brownie and my chocolate mousse, and you make them together and you eat them together, that's gonna be your aha moment. You're gonna be like, oh my God, this mousse gives you energy and also calms you down, and this brownie is anti-inflammatory and gives you energy and makes you feel so amazing, and both of them taste so good. The proof is in the pudding. It's all about finding the right balance and feeling healthy and feeling happy with whatever people need. It's by individual. So I trademarked couture nutrition because I do come from fashion background. I went to Parsons School of Design. I worked for Donna Karan International as my first job. So I love fashion, and in fashion, it's so easy to understand that couture is the best, right? It's the best fabrics. It's tailored to your body. It makes you feel amazing. So I do the same with food. It's tailored to your body. It's made out of the best ingredients and it makes you feel amazing. So people are not happy when they don't feel good in their bodies. And food can make a difference in that. And so if I can help through food, help those people feel good, and happy people do happy things. They make other people feel happy. I want that. I'm doing this because I love doing it. And in order for me to do my job, I need to know what you want, what kind of recipes you're looking for, what kind of ideas you're looking for, what kind of challenges you're having in your life. So share with me in the comments, let me know what kind of recipes you need. How can I help you? I mean, honestly, this is there for you. Like, I'm here to help you and I cannot do it without you. So comment and share, let me know, how can I serve you with these videos? What will give you the most value? What will you find the most useful? So come join me in this world.